Okay, I'm going to choose a really big font and then I'll try a really small font. So I picked display 3 here, which is 56 SP. And remember to add the attribute before the tag is closed. So I'll hit enter here and then add text size attribute. Cool. And then the text is giant over here. Okay, now I can try a smaller size of maybe some body text, which would be 14 SP. So I'll erase this and then say 14. And then it's tiny again. Cool. Okay, so we finished the first task. The optional challenge was to try learning about the text appearance attribute on your own from the Google Plus Pro tip that I included a link to. Let's open that up now. So this is an Android Dev Pro tip that was written by yours truly for the Android Developers Google Plus page. If you haven't already, you can follow the Google Plus page for Android developers to get the latest news on Android development. Or if you prefer Twitter, you can follow our account there. So basically in this short pro tip, I talk about, again, how too many font sizes can be visually distracting for your user. So you can use the recommended font sizes in the material design spec, or you can also choose from a standard set of type sizes provided by Android, which is small, medium, and large. So instead of text size, you set the Android text appearance attribute to be Android text appearance large, or you can set small or medium. These text appearance values map to these SP font sizes. So if these ever change in Android, then your code will automatically get the new value. Using text appearance is great because you don't have to worry about specific SP values, and you can still be consistent with other apps on the device. For example, for a title, you can use large. For a list item, you can use medium, or for a caption, you can use small. So these are good buckets to work with. We can try them out in our code by just copying this line here. I'm going to use Command-C, or you can use Control-C if you're on a Windows machine. Go over to our code here. I'm going to delete this text size line because we're going to add text appearance. I hit Command-V or Control-V. So now Android text appearance is text appearance large, and you can see that the preview has updated to have the larger font size. That's pretty neat, right? And you can also change this to be medium or small. So in general, this is a really useful tip to know if you don't want to declare specific SP values. So if you have no idea which SP values you want to use, you can just pick from small, medium, and large.